Good day, learners. Today we are going to talk about the fundamentals of storytelling. In this lesson, we will be answering the following questions. First, what is storytelling? And then what are the benefits of storytelling? What are the principles of storytelling? And lastly, how to use storytelling. Let's begin. Now, storytelling is conveying knowledge, event, or experience in words by using sketches, images, diagrams, maps, and sound, often by embellishment. It is literally about telling a story. A person who has valuable knowledge tells stories from his or her experience in front of people who want to gain knowledge. Now, when we divide the term storytelling, we have the story, means knowledge, experience, event. We get stories from knowledge, experience, and event. And then we convey that by telling it, by telling those knowledge, experience, and event through words, by using sketches, images, diagrams, maps, and sound, often by embellishments. So that's for storytelling. Now, what are the benefits of storytelling? Storytelling has strong and unique benefits. We have transfers tacit part of knowledge, nurtures good human relationship, brings out passion of audiences, cause to develop imagination skills of audiences. But the main purpose of this technique, because storytelling is a technique, is sharing and transferring knowledge. And those knowledge you gain those from your experiences, the events that you have encountered. Okay? Now, what are the principles of storytelling, or to have a good presentation as a storyteller? What are the skills you must possess? First is good eye contact. And then we have good enthusiasm and expressions. Good preparation, it is important. Good use of voice and volume. Appropriate talking speed. And the good use of body and hand gestures. Now, how will you use storytelling? Many organizations utilize storytelling to transfer experts' knowledge to younger people. Now, the first thing is to identify key area to transfer the knowledge or experience. Okay? And then, after that, you might also consult the right person who have rich experience and ask him or her to tell a story. And lastly, you should have a regular environment that needs to hold this kind of session. So that is how you're going to use storytelling. And then some organizations use storytelling to share lessons learned from projects to colleagues who are not participating in the project. Okay? And then to end this lesson, let us have a sort of a recap. First, we learned about the meaning behind what is storytelling. Storytelling is basically just telling you what you have in your mind, your experience, your knowledge, and what are the events you have encountered. And then what are the benefits of storytelling? There are lots of benefits of storytelling, and you have learned about that. And then we also learned what are the principles of storytelling, or what are the skills that you should have to have a good presentation or to have an effective storytelling. And lastly, how to use storytelling. Basically, you can use storytelling in so many different ways. But the main use of storytelling is to use this technique for those person who are not present when you are in a particular event. Especially in some organization, they use storytelling in presenting data or an event to those colleagues who are not present in a presentation probably. Okay, so there you have it. That's all for our lesson. I hope you learned something from me today. This is your teacher, Teacher Jai. Thank you and see you again.